Our topic is to find the volume of spheres. Okay, but before that, so let us review first about the area of a circle, which is area is equal to pi r squared. Where pi, the equivalent, we have 3.14 and r is the radius. We have also the volume of a cylinder. Dito nang galing anak yung formula to find the volume of a cone. Okay, volume is equal to pi r squared times h. R is the radius, h is the height. Okay, bakit naging ganito yung formula to find the volume of a cone? Kasi ang tatlong cone equivalent to 1 cylinder. Kaya nagkaroon ng 1/3. 1/3 is equal to pi r squared height. So this time, let us proceed with finding the volume of spheres na tayo. Okay, but before that, let us define the meaning of sphere. So everyone, can you read the meaning?
Sphere is a three-dimensional geometric object defined as the set of all points in space that are the same distance, called the radius from a fixed point called the center.
Okay, so this is the illustration of sphere. So meron tayong radius na tinatawag. Ang measurement anak ng radius ay lahat ng radius ng sphere ay same distance yan. Same ng measurement. And then ito yung nasa gitna, this is called the center. Or kung i-compare natin sa layer ng Earth, ang center niya yung inner core, yung color yellow. Okay, this is the center. Kapag kinulat yung center at yung edge ng sphere, so ang tawag doon ay radius. Okay, so is the volume of sphere derived. So saan daw kaya nanggaling yung volume ng, or formula to find the volume of sphere? So measure of the height is equal to the measure of the radius. So di ba ang formula natin to find the volume of a cone, we have volume is equal to 1/3 pi r squared height. Sa cone, anak, meron tayong two parts, the radius and the height. So this time, sa sphere natin, wala na tayong height. At the same time, yung measure ng height ng cone natin ay equal daw, anak, sa measure ng radius niya. So ibig sabihin, kung i-derive natin to, since equal daw yung height sa radius, so magiging ganito po siya. R squared height equal na siya kay r cubed. Bakit r cubed? Since the measure of the height is equal to the measure of the radius, kinombine na natin. So, kaya imbis na r squared height, magiging r cubed na lang. I-multiply mo na si radius ng ilang beses. Twice, by itself na po yun. So, again, for cone is equivalent to 1 sphere. So, and this is the formula to find the volume of a cone. 1/3 times pi r cubed. Sabi ko nga kanina, 1 sphere is equivalent to 4 cone. Kaya ita-times natin yung formula ng cone sa 4 para makuha natin yung formula ng sphere. So, how to multiply a whole number and a fraction? Just multiply the numerator and the whole number. 4 times 1. Okay, kaya naging 4/3. So, since hindi naman natin pwedeng i-divide yan, magiging fraction na ang ating sagot. So, we have 4/3 times pi r cubed. That is the formula to find the volume of a sphere. Ito na po yun. So, this is the formula to find the volume of a sphere. Volume is equal to 4/3 times pi r cubed.